Shalom. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh by Hashem, Yahweh Shai by Hashem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders Wa'akim or Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And as we've been seeing, increasing speculation for the past, I would say, week or so, or the last couple of days, you've been seeing the rising tensions between Iran and Israel, Now you have this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post by Young La, Jeremy Bob Tavar, Lavrov, and Jerusalem Post staff as of April the 13th, 2024, and last updated April 13th, 2024. This is Iran launched dozens of drones towards Israel. It says the drones are expected to take several hours to reach Israel. It says Iran launched dozens of drones directly from its territory against Israel on Saturday night in a radical change from it usually of its proxies the IDF has performed. It says the military said that it's ready to shoot them down through air defense. It's not hermetic. And I believe this is a video right here from X, which is formerly known as Twitter.
What?
So that was a little 8-second clip right there. It says the IDF shot down capability, including aircraft drones of David's Sling and the Arrows missile system. And it says, in addition, the military can use GPS scrambling to disable certain kinds of attack drones. It says the drones attacks could take hours or more to arrive in Israel. It says while they're traveling across potential countries as Iraq, Syria, Jordan, Lebanon, and other areas. And it says they are concerned that Tehran or its proxies may It says it may also fire long-range ballistic missiles and other rockets at Israel in some kind of overlapping ways the drones attacks. It says that Islamic Republic State comes after it accused Israel of killing top Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Commander Mohammad Reza Sadai on April 1st, who has directly its proxies attacks on Israel and Lebanon and Syria, including being a top coordinator with Hezbollah. It says the IDF declined to publicly comment to a presumptive strike on Iran now that the drones have been launched. It says Israeli airspace closed as its attack begins. It says the Israeli airports authorities have announced that Israeli airspace would close starting at 12:30 a.m. local time. It says drones spotted over Iraq. Shortly after the Iranian strike began, Iraqi officials announced that the Iraqi airspace was closed. It says a number of drones were seen flying from the direction of Iran over Iraqi's Salamania, if I pronounced that right. It says Providence 3 securities. Yeah, it says Salakia. I guess it was loading up. It says Salakia. Well, I ain't gonna read all the rest of that because it is gonna keep on continuing loading up. Then I'm gonna continue to miss some areas while I read it. So bring out some scriptures. Bring out that book of Joel. This is the prophet Joel, chapter 3 and verse 9, and it reads. It says, proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war. It says, wake up the mighty man, let all the men of war draw near, and let them come up. The prophet Joel, chapter 3 and verse 10, it says, beat your plowshares and the swords and the pruning hooks into spears, and let the weak say I'm strong. Right, and that's what we're seeing. Rising tensions between Iran and the IDF, so it's only going to increase. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying. So this is a recent news came out over there in Western Asia as the like I mentioned again, there have been increasing speculations and rumors of articles about they was waiting from the United States and from the Israeli Defense Force, they was waiting where and when well, Iran will use their attack towards IDF. Now we have right here this. This latest news article, as it says, Iran launches hundreds of drones towards Israel. So we're going to see how this plays out between the escalations between Iran and Israel. Now that Iran launched some drones towards Israel, so we're going to see how Israel is going to respond to that. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post as of April 13th, 2024. And it reads again, Iran launched hundreds of drones towards Israel. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem HaKarkadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, and the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in ancient Paleo-Hebrew, Lashwan Kadash, the whole tongue. And until next time, I would say Shalom.